Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be installing this wig from Mscoco hair. So this wig is pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, it's a 5x6 and it's loose body wave. This is a glueless wig, so it is a closure wig. You can just pop it on and off. You don't have to actually glue this wig down. This is for my ladies who don't really know how to install their wig. They don't want to wear glue all the time. They want to just have a wig that they can take on and off and still look cute and just have an on-the-go wig. So this is the box that it came in. So I'm going to show you the wig in a second. They did send an extra bag with extra accessories to go along with it. So I have my Mscoco lace melt band. I have a comb that they sent me. I have a HD wig cap. They even sent the edge brush. I have a bonnet. And they also sent me clips, and they also sent me lashes, but I put them on for this video. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the actual wig and what it looks like. So this is what the wig looks like. So it did come with curls in it already. You can comb this out so you don't have to wear these actual curls, because I am going to comb it out because I like that full volume layered look. So this is the inside of the wig. As you can see, the knots are already bleached and it is already cut. So the work has already been done for you. You don't have to bleach knots. It's basically already pre-plucked as well, so you don't really have to do that either. It's cut, so for those of you who don't know how to cut your lace correctly, it's already cut. You don't have to do any of that. And yeah, so now we're just going to get straight into the install. So I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses cream palette in the shade 14, and I'm going to just apply that on the wig. Now, this is optional depending on your skin tone. I am a little bit darker skin tone, so I do need to add just a little makeup to make it blend exactly how I need it to blend. So just take that and put that on, and now I'm just going to pop the wig right on. I did go ahead and just braid my hair down, and I'm just going to slip it right on. And in the back, it has an adjustable strap. It also has a band in it, so you can adjust this wig to however you need to adjust it. I did have to make mine very, very tight because I do have a very, very small head. So now I'm going to take my Care wax stick, and I'm just going to place that over the top of the wig and hot comb it to make it flat, because like I said, I do have a small head. So at first it was looking like it really didn't fit my head, but all I did was just take my hot comb and just flatten that wig out to fit the shape of my head, and it worked out perfectly. So there was literally not much extra that I had to do to this wig except just hot comb it and put it on. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses cream palette in shade 11, and I'm just going to define my part a little bit more. And now here's where I'm just combing my curls out, because like I said, I like that full volume look. And after I finished combing them out, it looked so good. You guys are going to see in just a minute. Here I'm just taking my hands and just going through the hair. And honestly, if you want to leave it just like this, you literally can. Like, the wig is on my head, I have the band on, the curls look good, and I could just go on about my day just like this. But me, I like for my wig to be just a little bit more secure. I'm not going to use any glue or anything, but I am going to take a little spritz and just spray it on my hair just to really secure. And now I'm just kind of seeing how I want it to be before I actually secure the whole wig. But as you can see, guys, I have not curled this wig. I haven't did anything, and like, it just looks bomb. But here we go. I'm going to take my Fantasia spritz and put it on my finger and just kind of tap it into the lace all across. And then I'm going to take my lace melt band, and I'm just going to put that on and just let it sit for about 10 minutes to let it, you know, melt and get that melted look that I want, so it can actually mold to my head. But you are still going to be able to take the wig on and off even after you do this step. This is just for me to really get it molded to my head, and I can get that melted look But before I even did this step, it still looked completely fine. So this is not a necessary step that you need to do, okay? This is just an extra step that I'm doing. So now I'm about to take the band off because it's been 10 minutes. And as you can see, it has that melted look. And honestly, it really doesn't even look any different. It still looks the same as it did before. And now I am just going to take my hot comb. I wanted a little bit more volume up in the front. And like I said, all these steps that I'm doing are completely optional. You can literally leave your wig how you just saw it just a minute ago and go on about your day. I am a hairstylist, so I'm a perfectionist and I do like my hair to look a certain way. So yeah, now I'm going to take my Cheese Silk and Seal and I'm just going to distribute that all throughout the hair. And this is just going to make the wig look more shiny, glossy. It's going to bring those curls like more together. I don't even really know how to explain it, but I guess I can just show you better than I can tell you. And now I'm just combing it back because it's going to give me like that feathered look in the front for my middle part bangs. And yeah, like I'm loving the turnout of how this is looking. It looks very full. It looks like I just went to the hair salon and got my hair done and curled up, but I literally didn't. Like, the curls that were in this wig were absolutely perfect. And if you're not getting this wig, I really don't know what you're doing. Like, honestly, I don't. So if you want your curls to look more uniformed and like more, I don't know the right word to use, but just more well put together and not so big, I just took a small tooth comb and ran the comb through the hair, and it came out like this, and it came out like a wave, which was absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love this. And look, I can still take it on and off. I can still take it on and off. Even after I use the spritz, it is still completely 100% glueless, and it looks like I just got my hair done. Y'all, it took me all of what, 15 minutes to do. And if you don't do the melting step that I did, all you got to do is just pop that wig on, literally. But yeah, you guys, this is the end result. Make sure you go to Mscoco and get this wig. I absolutely love it. All of the details will be in my description box below. So if you want to know where I got this wig from, check that out. Bye.